Okay, so now I just have one last thing I need to try. As you can see right here, we have the GoPro Hero 5 attached on top of Mavic 2 Pro. So we're gonna try and fly that and see if I can actually fly this thing on top. Fingers crossed. The Mavic 2 Pro is turned on. The recording.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I have to say I'm quite nervous about this.
Take off.
Seems to be okay. The propeller isn't hitting GoPro. Yo, it actually works. Damn. All right. Look at that. You can actually attach a GoPro on top of your Mavic 2 Pro. Now I don't know why you want to do that, but I guess it's just to get the new perspective. But anyway, let's see how it looks like when you fly away. And it's flying. I can't believe it actually can handle a GoPro Hero 5 sticking on top. That is crazy. And I'm going to try and fly it as smoothly as possible so that the GoPro Hero footage ain't going to be too jerky. But it seems to be slightly drifting a little bit because of the GoPro is sitting right on top of the drone, which is not recommended. But it is working. I cannot believe it, but that's actually alright. So the drone came back safely with the GoPro Hero 5 attached on top, and at first when it take off it was kind of like unstable a little bit, as you would expect, but once the drone get used to it, it will just stabilize itself and it just fly away. And I have to say I'm quite impressed with the fact that the Mavic Pro 2 can actually handle a GoPro Hero 5 on top. I mean, you've seen them on the internet before. I've seen a lot of them, people flying that before, but to fly it yourself is a different thing. So I would say it's definitely I would definitely recommend trying this out, but obviously try on the not so windy condition. Right now is a perfect condition, there's no wind whatsoever, so it's perfect to fly this. But obviously fly it, try it at your own risk. Now I'm just looking forward to go back and edit the footage and see what we get from it, especially the GoPro one, which is going to be an interesting one. So from here I will see you then. So that's it from me, guys. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you like, and comment on the comment section below, ask a question away. I will do my best to answer them. So until then, I will go back home now and do some editing, and I will see you on the next video.